Hey everybody, we're back with Wheel Wednesday and we're talking about tire inflation. Now, did you know that your tires continuously lose air pressure? It's a natural process where the air escapes from the tire's solid rubber sidewall. Underinflation causes poor handling, fuel efficiency, and an increased risk of tire failure. Drivers need to be aware that tires are routinely exposed to stress and impacts can reduce air pressure. Overinflation causes tires to suffer adverse effects, including a harsh ride, poor handling, irregular wear. With all modern vehicles now equipped with TPMS, which is Tire Pressure Monitoring System, many drivers feel they can simply wait until the TPMS signals on their dashboard before airing up their tires. However, TPMS should not be relied on for routine tire maintenance. Regularly checking the air pressure in your tires is important, yet often overlooked. To ensure you're maintaining the recommended air pressure, we recommend that you get into a routine of checking your tires, including your spare tire. And keep in mind that some vehicles may require different air pressures on the front and rear axles. If you notice that you find yourself with a flat tire or a puncture wound, here at Quick Lane Hacienda Ford, we can replace, patch, or inflate your tires. Remember, we are always ready to serve. Be safe and see you next time.